don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow.
All right. Hey y'all, it's AminaJawhara. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get right into this video. I ain't about to chit chat, but today I'm going to show y'all the Knot Doctor. It's like a blow drying brush, but I want to try it on natural hair. So let's see if it's gonna work, if it's gonna do what it needs to do, if it's gonna give what they said it's supposed to give. So let's get into it. I'm going to use this to detangle my hair. It's my first time using it. There's a girl on my Twitter recommended this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Come on. Well, maybe you can, but it's Cream of Nature, Argan Oil, detangling and leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna do that because I didn't detangle my hair yet. Y'all gonna see me look off to the side a lot because my mirror is over here. So yeah, I'm gonna just detangle my hair and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. So I combed out my hair. So now I am tired. All right, I'm gonna section my hair up. Girls, we run this mother. Yeah. Girls, we run this mother. Yo, my edges over here are so bad. You see, I got a wig done and sis took my edges down. And that's literally like, I don't get wigs and sew-ins really done by anybody. Like, I pretty much do them myself, but she was someone that I felt like was my friend. But, you know, life happens, so she definitely was not. But yeah, and not because of this, like, because of other stuff. But yeah. Like really concentrated on growing my edges back over here. It was a lot worse. It was literally bald, like completely bald. So it's like growing back now, but yeah, so if it look a little sketchy over there, that is why. So I'm gonna use this heat protectant, Lot of Body. I used to use it, well, I still use it. I use it on my, like my wigs and stuff. Then one day I just tried it on my hair and I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that. A little goes a long way with this heat protectant. So I just don't want to damage my little curls, you know, just in case this blow dryer is janky. So has like different modes on it. It has cool, low, and high, and then I guess this like determines how hot it is, this button here. So I'm gonna try it on high. I'm not even gonna try the low. So, right? Why is it not on?
Oh yeah, so you believe.
Oh, so to turn it on, I guess you gotta click the...
Get in there, get in there!
To turn it on, you have to click this button, like on the plug.
Oh!
This is how loud it is. Not too bad. Let's see. So, I think it gets it pretty good. Well, I straightened it more than I thought. Like, I'm not expecting it to be bone straight just because, like, it's supposed to be a blow dryer. I feel like I could probably get my roots a little more, because I feel like I definitely got them in the front and in the middle, but like up here it's not really getting it as much. My hair doesn't feel like brittle, or I feel like it's easier to use than like a regular blow dryer, just because like make you feel like this. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and come back, and then I'll give y'all like my final review. I don't think y'all really want to watch me like blow dry my whole hair. I just don't think y'all do. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final look. Well, maybe not look, but I'm done blow drying my hair. So a few things, right? Boom. I started, well, I had this section already done, and I was like, you know, let me see how much time it takes so I could see if it's like different than a regular blow dryer. And I started at 250. Like from here on, it was 250, and now it is 315. Like, so I feel like that's a lot quicker than a regular blow dryer. I feel like the pros to this is it's quicker, it's easier to manipulate. It doesn't feel as like taxing on your hair because it doesn't get as hot as a regular blow dryer. Like, you know, you get to your roots of another blow dryer, you're like, oh my god, I hate it here. Like, it doesn't really feel like that. Like, it's hot, but it's nowhere near as hot as a regular blow dryer, and it's still like, you know, blow dries your hair out. The price of it, I'm gonna go back and look. So I'm gonna put the link down below where I got it from. I got it from Target, and I think it was like $55 or something like that, but it definitely wasn't more than $60. 5 short, like 5 short. So that's that. Yeah, I would say those are the pros of it. It's easy to work. Like, it's pretty like self-explanatory. It's not like rocket science. The cons to it, depending on like, I feel like you gotta really get into the root more if you really want it to like a super blow dry look. I don't know how to explain that. Like, I'm gonna show you the roots in my hair, and like it's still like wavy. I hope y'all can see because I can't really see it. But yeah, it's still like wavy, but it's not. It's enough for me, but if somebody wanted more than like more pressed out, then it's probably not the blow dryer for you. I didn't like go super hard on getting my roots straight. I feel like I could have, but that's just not what I really wanted. My roots are really thick, like really like, so it loosened it up enough for me to be able to, like, you know, I could get in there and come out, you know. So it's definitely good with that. My hair wasn't completely wet, so I can't say like how good it is on super wet hair. Yeah, I have no real complaints about this. Like, I definitely use this over a regular blow dryer. It's not as hot, my back don't hurt, my arms don't hurt. I don't feel like my hair is super thick, but it's not like, my hair's not really thin either, and I feel like it worked well on getting in there. I didn't break it up like super small, like to press it out either. Like, I was doing probably pieces like this big, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't like really getting in there, so I'm sure I'm sure you can, you know, like if that's how you blow dry your hair, then cool, but I just don't, because I'm not really yeah, I'm just trying to test this out to see. So yeah, I definitely recommend, just depending on what you're trying to achieve. So that's what I've got to say. That's that on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the rest of my hair videos. Just stay for the ride, you know. Yeah, thank you for watching. And again, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on everything. It'll be down below. I look like a little kid. Yeah, follow me on everything down below. Yeah, lady all.
Boy, I don't know.